Hey friends, it's Laura with Laura's Handmade Haven. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so glad you joined me today. I am so excited today to share with you my third quarter Social Stars Benartex box. Inside this box are the fabrics I'm going to use in my third quarter projects, and I'm so excited to share it with you. I'm going to be making a 12 floral basket applique quilt. It's an original design, definitely inspired by a couple cross-stitch samplers that I've done in the past, but this is going to be so fun to share with you, and I cannot wait to get started. So let's dig into the box so you can see the fabrics and see what I'm going to be up to. So the fabrics for the quilt are going to be a combination of Incandescent by Paula Nadelstern and then also some Superior Solids. So right here on top, I definitely can see that this is the Incandescent fabric. Go ahead and slide all of these out. And let's walk through them. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. So let me get you a little closer. We'll flip through the fabrics and then I'll tell you a little bit about the project and when you can expect to see it on the channel. There are so many pretty fabrics in this line. The colors are so vibrant. The patterns are so flowing. And I just love just the bursts of color and with some of the other muted tones. This one, oh my goodness, this is like my color palette right here. I love every color in that fabric. This is gorgeous as well. And then we also have some different patterns. So let me flip through the rest of these so you can see all of these gorgeous incandescent fabrics from Paula Nadelstern and Benartex Fabrics. These are also in the line, and you can see like this black, it has some gray in it, mostly black, but some gray. So all of these different shades and these colors are going to be so helpful in making the quilt because I'm going to be able to use so many different shades from one cut of fabric. Look at these daisies. Oh my goodness, I love these. I think this is a daisy chain, I believe. Oh, this is gorgeous. This actually reminds me of like ink blots. All right, and then we have these Superior Solids because in this applique quilt, like I said, it's going to be 12 different floral baskets. So there's definitely going to have some stems and some leaves. And then we have a really nice ecru here for backgrounds and some white for some accent, just to give it a little more play and fun in the quilt. So yeah, all of these fabrics, love them, love them. Be sure you're watching the channel because in the middle of September, you're going to start seeing the quilt that I'm putting together with all of these glorious fabrics. Which one's your favorite? I hope you love seeing the Benartex fabrics that I got for the third quarter, being a social star with them this year. And I love these. I'm so excited to get started on the project. Remember, join me in the beginning to middle of September for more information about this amazing incandescent floral basket quilt that I have coming up. And until next time, find joy in all you do. Carve out some time for crafting and creating. And remember, it's always better when you make stuff up.